Okay, today is Tuesday, November 8th, 2022. We're at 38777 Schoolcraft, JD Contracting office building. We're currently in the ladies' restroom. Behind us you're going to see we have a couple of toilet stalls. We were able to find a clean out here that we were able to remove underneath the sinks. We're going to do a diagnostic televise from the ladies' room out. This line runs to the west and ties into a line that's in the that has outside clean out that's in the outside lunchroom area. This is 3-inch PVC clean out tape. Okay, and as you can see, we do have some buildup here in the line. These are sensor faucets. We're going to kind of pull back now. You can see right here at the bottom, we actually have a little bit of buildup. There was some backups in this area. As you see, we seem to be pushing quite a bit of paper through. We're going to try and see here if we can pick up some Ys. We're going to flush some of the toilets and see if we have any water flow through this area. Okay, as you can see, we've got a garden hose from a mop sink. We're going to try and flush down all the debris that was in the line. The faucets here are just sensor faucets, so they're very low flow. We're going to go ahead and televise all the way out with the water flowing, just to give us an idea of the flow. As you can see, this is still all PVC piping. We have various Ys that we'll go ahead and confirm what they are. As we have a kitchen area, we also have a men's room and a drinking fountain. As you can see with the flow, piping is not holding water of any sort. Everything seems to be flowing. That buildup was possibly from recent backup. It just never got flushed down. Okay, here you can see this is where we change to cast iron. We're going to continue to push out. See if we can push to where the clay tile. Where the clay tile comes in. Okay, at this point, you've seen that we got all the debris out of the PVC. We're going to pause our recording. We're going to go ahead and turn the water off, and then we will go ahead and locate to obtain where we're at, and then also start verifying the different Y connections. Okay, we have located this. We're about 2 feet off of the outside wall in the lunchroom area. So this is just upstream of the clean out. We're going to try and see if we can push through the drop here. This may be as far as, okay, you can see there, that's the outside clean out. We have televised from this area in the past out to the clay. Due to all the fittings, it's going to be hard for us to push to the clay pipe. But again, we have pushed from this outside clean out out. Here you can see we're going to continue on. We believe this is where the bathroom ties in from the warehouse area. We are going to go ahead and flush the toilet a few times just to check and see if that's where our flow comes from. Okay, we actually got water running in the mop sink. We're going to see if it comes out at this Y. Okay, you can see here we do have flow now coming from the mop sink area. We will be televising from a clean out back in the shop bathroom to look at this line as well, but this does confirm that this is the tie-in for the shop area. At this point, we're going to go ahead and turn the water off. We will go ahead and continue to pull back and start identifying all the Y's in the line as much as we possibly can. Okay, the Y you see there in the 12 o'clock position, that's the outside clean out in the outside kitchenette area. And here you can see we have a offset that brings us up. This is actually inside the building. You can see we have a Y here. This is possibly an old Y because there's really nothing that's in this area anymore. Okay, here we have a second Y. The first fixture is the kitchen. We're going to go ahead and run that water to see where that's located. Okay, we have water running in the kitchen. As you can see, that's the Y right here, right where it changes to PVC. So the change to the PVC is in the kitchenette. Okay, we got a Y here. Okay, a lot of these Ys might be hard for us to identify because the only fixtures there are in the office area is the kitchenette area, and then men's and women's bathrooms, and then there's a set of drinking fountains between the two bathrooms. So some of the Ys we may not actually be able to identify what they are for, or they are possibly lines that are either for future use or that were capped off. Okay, we have located this. This is just inside the men's room. We're going to go ahead and flush some toilets and see if this is the tie-in. As you can see here, that's for the toilet in the men's room. We're going to continue to pull back. As you can see, that's the second toilet in the men's room. Okay, we're going to try and run some water in the sinks and then the urinal. Okay, we're going to run water in the sinks at this time. And then we're going to move to the urinal. We believe that we're going to find that the Y here in the 9 to 10 o'clock position is possibly for the sinks. As you can see, we have water here. And we're going to pull back. We believe this Y here is going to be for the single urinal in the men's room. Okay, as you can see here, this is the urinal. So we're going to go ahead and continue to pull back. And you see we have a Y here. We believe this is possibly for the drinking fountains. We will try those and then start identifying Ys for the women's room. Okay, here you can see that we have flow coming in here for the drinking fountains. And now we're going to go ahead and flush the toilets in the women's room. Okay, as you can see, this is the Y for the first stall in the ladies' room. Why I got to lay this out funky. Try the second one. Okay, here you can see this is the middle toilet. And here you can see this picks up the end. As we pull up, turn through this Y, basically we're picking up the floor drain, which you see right here, which we'll flush with the hose. And then this comes up to pick up the two sinks.